Alright, so with the top surface selected, following on from the last video, I'm just going to go into Extruded Boss Base, press the space bar and choose Normal 2. Alright, now to create the outline for the shape we need, I'm just going to find this center point snap here, click and produce a circle. The dimension, the diameter for this is 36, and the center distance from the point of origin is 40 millimeters. We now just need to finish this shape off, overlap it slightly as we've done before with the 3 lines into the main model. Now we don't need to worry about this too much because where you've got solid overlapping solid, the software kind of just absorbs it, so we don't really see that issue. Okay, so exit the sketch. And because we've got a few sections here, we need to use selected contours just to select them. Okay, so we need to make sure we've got 4, just to doubly make sure we can select this bit as well, and have a roll around and see what we've got. The height for this is 22, and green tick to complete. Okay, so that's that bit finished. Now we've got a rib and a few holes to worry about, so let's get the rib in place first. Again, we snap to the point of origin to begin, so we should have one of our planes sat down the center. There we are, the top plane. Straight into the sketch tab, get the line tool, press the space bar and choose top or normal 2. Okay, I'm going to snap to this corner here, and then snap to the top edge of this shape here. You should be able to get a little point appear. There you go. And then because it's cylindrical, I'm just going to move slightly across the top as well. So 2 lines. Exit the sketch, into the Features tab and choose Rib. Click on any one of the lines. Make sure the arrow that appears is facing the model by clicking on it. The width of the rib is 8 mm, so just change your width over here and make sure it's set to the middle option. Green tick. Okay, now the cylinder at the top is actually stepped. We have a 40 mm diameter hole, goes down 7 mm, and a 35 diameter hole which goes all the way through. So I'm just going to choose the top surface, click on Extruded Cut, get the circle tool, snap to the point of origin, smart dimension the circle 40 millimeters, and we can actually get away with drawing both circles here. So 35 for the internal, and exit sketch. Okay, click into selected contours, clear selections by right clicking, choose the larger of the 2 circles we just drew and change the dimension to 7. Green tick. Okay, now we need to select that sketch again so we can use it again. So I'm going to expand my last feature, click on the sketch, back into Extruded Cut. Selected contours, right click, clear selections, and choose the internal circle this time. Now this one can be set to through all, and green tick. Okay. Now there's a couple of bosses and holes need adding to these surfaces down here, so I'm going to choose the top surface again, click on Extrude, spacebar and normal 2. Right, so to begin with, I'm just going to position 2 circles with the same center point randomly, and then I'm going to worry about getting the dimensions sorted out. Alright, so from the point of origin to the center we have a 20 mm distance, and then again, but this time applying the dimension vertically, we have an 80 mm distance.